The Desert Eagle, also known as Deagle, is a gas-operated, semi-automatic pistol known for chambering the 50 Action Express, the largest centerfire cartridge of any magazine-fed, self-loading pistol. Gas is ported from the breech and travels forward through a tube under the barrel, flows into a cylinder, and then pushes the piston rearward. The pistol uses a three-lug rotating bolt with dual recoil springs to bring the slide forward after a shot is fired. This gas system and powerful big-bore magnum calibers bulk up the size of the pistol. Aside from the rifle-style mechanism, the Desert Eagle uses a barrel locked into the pistol's frame. This allows a higher degree of accuracy. The polygonal rifling is also unique as it reduces barrel wear, is easy to clean, produces a better seal between the bullet and the bore, and aids in accuracy. The chamber is chrome-plated to facilitate easier cartridge case extraction. The grip is designed to help reduce felt recoil and make shooting the powerful rounds easier and more comfortable. The pistol, obviously, was designed to use a two-handed grip. A single-action two-stage trigger system requires the operator to cock the hammer prior to firing the pistol. Magnum Research Incorporated, mmRB, designed and developed the Desert Eagle, first awarded for a gas-actuated pistol with the type of mechanism normally found on rifles like the Ruger Mini 14 and U.S. military M14. It went through a number of design changes from 1979 through 1982. Initially offered in two models, the Mark I and the Mark VII. Both models were available in .357 Magnum and .44 Magnum. The Mark VII had an adjustable trigger and at one time was chambered in .41 Magnum. Later, the Mark VII was chambered in .50 Action Express. The design was further refined and was also manufactured by Israel Military Industries, IMI, until 1995, when mmRB shifted the manufacturing contract to Saco Defense in Saco, Maine. In 1998, mmRB moved manufacturing back to IMI, which later commercialized its small arms branch under the name Israel Weapon Industries, IWI. Since December 2009, the Desert Eagle pistol has been produced in the USA at mmRB's Pillager, Minnesota, facility. Firearms acquired Magnum Research in 2010. The current production model is the Mark 19, an upgrade of the Mark 7. The Mark 19 uses one frame size for all calibers, which allows the operator to change calibers by swapping out barrel, bolt, and magazine. Magnum Research has marketed various versions of the short recoil Jericho 9.41 pistol under the Baby Eagle and Desert Eagle pistol names. These weapons are not directly related to the Desert Eagle but share a similar visual design. The Desert Eagle was originally designed as a revolver, but was later reshaped into a semi-automatic pistol. The 50 Action Express Mark 7 would later become the Mark 19. It has been used virtually in video games with names like Counter-Strike, Tomb Raider, Grand Theft Auto, and Call of Duty: Modern Warfare. Designed by Bernard C. White and Arnold Steinbergs,